my fatty ribeye steak, dry brined in the fridge for 24 hours. This is ghee and unsalted butter. And I'm going to add some Wagyu beef tallow. All mixed. And I'm going to smother that on my steak before putting it in the air fryer. And here it is in my air fryer. I did not use the grill that came with this Combi air fryer because it's non-stick, and I bought a separate air fryer basket that's just stainless steel and no toxic chemicals. I like my steak medium rare, and I usually do the sous vide, but now it takes a lot longer, so now I'm just gonna do classic. There is water in the tank. What you see on the glass there is from the water tank on top. This Dreo ChefMaker sprays water in here every once in a while to not lose moisture. My steak always comes out nice and juicy.
So this is the Dreo by ChefMate. As you can see, I have a piece of salmon in here. So this is my first time using it with the probe cook. It was very easy. I guess the only thing I was a little disappointed with is when I selected my meat, I thought it would give me an actual recipe telling me to use salt and pepper or certain spices, and it didn't do that. I'm still getting used to using it, so I will leave a review of how the salmon tastes and kind of what I find as I use this further in my review.
It came with a defect. It will stuck inside. Close. Flip it on the side. Oh.